So the first effect of force is that force causes the motion in the stationary body. This toy car is in the state of rest, but if I am going to apply some force to this toy car is going to move. This is the state of rest, but when I am going to apply the force to this toy car starts moving. That means the force causes the motion in the stationary body. If I am going to apply some force, then the toy car starts moving. Similarly, the second effect is that force can stop a moving body. That means if this toy car is in motion and I am going to apply force to stop it, then the force is going to change the state of motion. Firstly, the toy car is in the state of motion and I am applying some force to stop this car. This is the second effect. In the third effect, what is that? When we are going to apply the force on this clay, that force is going to cause the change in the shape of this clay. When I am going to press the clay between my hands, then you will see that the shape of the clay is going to change. That means force causes the change in the dimensions of the body. Or if I am going to have a lemon, and when I am going to apply the force on the lemon, the shape of the lemon is going to change. Similarly, when I am having a toothpaste and I am going to apply some force, the toothpaste is coming out, and this is with the help of force we can change the shape of our body. Is it clear? And another example is, if this ball is in the state of motion, okay, and when I am going to apply the force, then force can cause the change in the direction of moving body. That means and I am applying some force, I can change the direction by applying the force on this. Similarly, in the toy car, you can see, if I am going to apply the force, the direction of the toy car is going to change. That means the force can change the direction of a moving body. Force can also change the speed of the moving body. When this toy car is moving and I want to increase the speed of this toy car, then this car is moving and I am going to apply the force, and this car is in the high speed. That means the force can cause the change in the speed of the moving body.